Good morning, America. Mike here, senior VA one-time close expert from coast to coast. I'm joined by Ethan, brand new homeowner in Columbus, Ohio. Ethan, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Mike. Excited to break down the real numbers so other vets don't get nickel and dimed.
Let's set the stage. We're talking a $450,000 custom build, stick frame, 3-bed, 2,400 square feet, slab foundation. Ethan shopped 3 big lenders. Ethan, read us the first quote.
Lender A, big bank out of Charlotte, quoted a 2-time close construction note, then a second closing 6 months later for the permanent VA loan. Closing costs on round 2, $6,240, plus a $1,950 rate lock extension because they only lock 60 days and my builder needed 210. Grand total $8,190 before I even turned dirt on the second close.
Painful. Lender B?
Online lender, flashy ads, same 2-time song and dance. Rate sounded sexy, but the fine print required a 10% contingency reserve brought to closing. On $450,000, that's $45,000 cash I had to park in escrow. If I needed the money, I could use it. If not, I got it back at the end. Either way, I had to bring $45,000 extra to closing. That's a bait and switch on 100% financing.
Ouch. Enter the VA one-time close. Ethan, walk everyone through our exact breakdown.
Base contract, $450,000. Land payoff rolled in, $0 already owned, but if I didn't, then the loan would have bought that too. VA funding fee, first time use, exempt for Purple Heart, $0. Our closing costs, 0 out of pocket. Lender, title, and admin fees are financed. Interest reserve, 0 monthly payments during construction. We escrowed $18,700 of interest into the loan. Builder draws every 35 days, 7 total. Each draw includes inspection and draw fees, no surprises. Contingency reserve built into the note. Change tile, added soft close cabinets, swapped carpet for LVP, drew straight from the reserve, no reapproval. Total loan amount at finish, $454,500. Monthly pity was lower than I expected after the free float down.
Let's pause on that float down. Ethan locked his permanent rate at lower than the rate cap because the market dove 60 basis points. We exercised the free float down clause. Final rate saved several hundred a month, tens of thousands over the life of the loan.
That's a truck and a boat, Mike.
Exactly. Let's talk timeline. Builder broke ground March 3rd. Certificate of occupancy issued October 27th. 237 days start to finish. During that stretch, Ethan's out-of-pocket cash flow $0. Compare that to the 2-time close where vets are bleeding $1,800 to $2,000 a month in interest-only payments. Over 8 months, that's $14,400 to $16,000 gone forever.
Plus the second appraisal, you requalify all over again. New credit pull, new DTI, new everything. You could lose the home because you no longer qualify.
Let's hit the builder ID issue. Folks, if your builder says, "I don't need a VA builder ID," run. The VA appraiser will not accept the appraisal request without the VA builder ID on file. Ethan's builder had VA ID. We uploaded to the VA portal day 1. No drama, no delays.
I've got buddies in Texas, North Carolina, and Arizona who got told the same garbage. VA construction has to be 2 closes. It's a lie. Call Mike's team. They do these nationwide.
Don't just take our word for it. Dial 888-857-8041. We'll run your scenario after you complete the pre-qualification, credit, income, entitlement, the works. If you like the numbers, we get you rolling with the builder. If you don't, you hang up and owe us nothing.
I called on a lunch break. By the next business day, I had a pre-qualification and my builder had been sent the builder approval packet to fill out.
Quick rapid-fire QA. Ethan, rapid-fire answers. Biggest fear before calling us?
That I'd have to bring $45,000 cash because every YouTube video said so.
Biggest surprise?
How fast underwriting turned around, 3 business days.
Favorite splurge from the contingency reserve?
8-foot sliding glass door overlooking the ravine. $2,800 and worth every sunrise.
Number 4. If you're active duty, guard, reserve, or retired, pick up the phone, 888-857-8041, and call us. If we're busy, leave a message and we'll call you back as soon as we can.
Guys and gals, don't let lenders turn your dream home into a fee festival. Mike's team made this thing turnkey. Give them a ring, seriously. 888-857-8041, and tell them Ethan sent you.
Ethan, congrats again on the new place. Folks watching, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a veteran success story. We'll see you on the next one. Comment below with your questions or experiences with construction loans.